Getting the drop on English, understanding idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to explore the phrase, get the drop on. This idiom might sound a bit strange at first, but by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and how to use it effectively in conversations. So, let's get started. The phrase, get the drop on, is an idiom that originated in the Old West of the United States. It means to gain an advantage or to be in a more favorable position than someone else, especially by acting before they do. It's often used in contexts where surprise or quick action gives one person the upper hand over another. Imagine a cowboy drawing his gun faster than his opponent. That's getting the drop on someone. Let's look at some examples of how this phrase can be used in everyday conversation. 1. In a business context, our company needs to get the drop on the competition by launching our new product first. 2. In personal situations, I got the drop on my brother by hiding his favorite toy before he could find it. 3. In sports, the team got the drop on their rivals by scoring an early goal. These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be applied in various scenarios. When using this idiom, it's important to avoid some common mistakes. Don't use it in a literal sense. It's a figurative expression. Be mindful of the context. It's more suitable for informal conversations and may not be appropriate in very formal settings. Remember, it implies gaining an advantage through quick or surprising actions. That's all for today's lesson on the idiom, get the drop on. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Remember, idioms are a fun and integral part of learning English, adding color and expressiveness to your language skills. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to get the drop on learning more idioms. See you in the next video.